as you can tell by the title, I got a brand new handbag, and today I'm gonna share my first impressions of the bag. I'm gonna tell you what fits inside, and also I'm gonna show you some outfit ideas. But now I can stop postponing and I can actually show you the bag because it's such a gorgeous bag. Can you see the color? Oh my god, you know how much I love a coral bag, and when I saw this one on the website, it totally caught my eye and I just fell in love with it. Now this bag is from Basile, which is a French handbag brand, and they actually sent me this bag for free so I can give you my honest thoughts. And also I have a code in case you like this bag or any other bag on their website. You can get a little free gift with my code, which I'm gonna explain in a minute. But first I want to tell you why I even decided to get a handbag, because you know me, I'm a very picky person, and if it's not a 10 I have to think again. So the reason I thought it's worth getting it and adding it to my minimalist collection is because I had a colorful bag with silver hardware on my wish list, if you remember. But then when I was doing the spring and summer tracking, I realized that I actually prefer bags without noticeable hardware. So when I saw this bag, I realized this is gonna be my colorful bag without noticeable hardware, and I can wear it with my gold items but then also with my silver. And you can see if I take it a little bit further back, the hardware is not really noticeable, and I actually already wore it with my silver items and it didn't bother me. Now for some people this may be still a little bit too much, but then for some people they're not as obsessed with mixing metals as I am. I'm just a little bit, you know, too matchy sometimes. And now before I show you what fits inside and all of that, I just want to quickly mention that this brand, like I said, it's a French brand, but they make their bags in Italy. And what I also love about this bag, that you actually get a scarf with each bag that you buy. The scarf is pre-selected, and with this little beauty I got this little scarf that I think looks super cute, and of course you can wear it tied around the handbag but also as an accessory. And I don't think, I'm trying to remember, but I don't think I ever owned a small scarf like this in my collection, so I'm definitely gonna have fun with it and see how I can style it. I for sure know that I can put it in my hair in some way if I have my hair up, but also for my handbags maybe I can try to tie it. I've never done this before, so maybe it's just gonna look really bad. Yeah, it's not the best look. I'm gonna have to look on the website to, you know, find a way how to style it, but you can wear it on here. You already know how these small little scarves work, so that's the first thing that I love about the bag. But then also, like I said, you get a free gift with my code. So if you want to get this bag or any other bag, because like I said, they have stunning handbags on there, so if you decide to get one, first you're gonna of course add the bag to the cart, but then you're also gonna get the pouch for free. And this is the pouch that I picked, but you can pick any color that you like. You just go on their website, you pick the pouch in the preferred shade, and then you add it to the cart, and at the end you use the code Kim for the free pouch. So it's not gonna be automatic gift, but you're gonna have to manually pick the pouch and use my code, and then you're gonna get the pouch for free. And this is the one that I picked. I decided to go for the black smooth leather because it's really versatile. And what I love about this pouch is that it also has 3 slots for cards. It's a little bit hard to show you, but you can see 3 card slots. And I think this is kind of a wallet slash pouch situation, and I can never say no to a good pouch because I love them for organizing a handbag. You know, my trusty pouch that I have right here. I also have another black pouch in my tote bag, so I love my pouches, and this one is just a little bit smaller. It's a really nice size, and it actually fits into this bag perfectly, which I think it's also a huge plus. That's it, a little bit about the brand. Let me know if this is the first time you're hearing about the brand, or if you ever bought a handbag from there and what are your experience. I would love to know. But now I can finally show you one of the biggest pluses of these bags, and I can show you everything that fits inside this little beauty. I just turned you around because I think this is gonna be a much better view, and as always I'm gonna start with my essentials. I have my small wallet that I still love very much, then my old trusty pouch, it can also go inside. My 3 essentials, I have the mirror, the hand cream, and also a lip balm. I gotta put it right here. Car keys and normal keys, and lastly of course my phone. As you can see, everything fits inside really nicely. But now if I want to add a little bit more, of course I always have to do a Kindle test. So here is the Kindle in a nice little cover. You're gonna be very pleasantly surprised to hear that Kindle fits inside perfectly. It's not even hard to put it in and out. It's very spacious, and I still have space to add my wipes in here, for example, and also I can add my glasses. I'm just gonna put them in the case and I can add them right here. Then I have this travel perfume, maybe it can go inside as well. And if I'm really pushing it, maybe I can also take an SPF stick with me. So this is the scenario number 1 with a Kindle, and you can see how much stuff I could put in here. Because I really stuffed it, it's a little bit hard to close, but it can still close. But now if I take my Kindle out and also my sunglasses out, the perfume, the SPF, I can try another scenario and I can add the vlogging camera. This one is the very popular Canon and it fits inside really nicely. Then I have this little brush which I can also put inside because, you know, I'm gonna be vlogging, so I need to take care of my hair. And I can also add the perfume inside. And lastly, I can put the SPF in as well. Again, the bag closes without any issues, and you can see how everything looks inside. And for me, this is a surprisingly spacious bag, and I can take all of my essentials with me, plus the Kindle or the camera or anything that is really, really important to me. And that's also one of the main reasons that I wanted the Corail bag in a slightly larger size, because it's so practical and versatile. And for the pouch reference, this is the Kindle and this is the pouch, and the size is pretty similar. So the pouch is the size of the Kindle in a nutshell, and of course it's gonna fit inside perfectly as well. We have more than enough room. Now for my first impression of the bag, because I wore it this week I think 5 times, so I could really get the feel of the bag and tell you what I like about it, what maybe bothers me. And what I really love about it is the fact that it's so spacious comparing to my other Corail bag. I said this before, but I can fit so much in here, it's insane. Then I also love the top handle bag, you know that already. That's a huge plus for me. I also love a crossbody strap because I wear it all of the time over my body. I love that as well. And in particular with this bag, I love that it's not a delicate strap, but it's just a little bit more sturdy, and it's perfect to wear also in the winter and in the fall. I also obviously love the shape of the bag. For me, it's really cute. I love that it doesn't have noticeable hardware, and also I love the color. So these are all of huge pluses for me, and they are the reason why I'm gushing over this bag so much. And then I was also thinking about the downsides, if you know there is anything in particular that is standing out to me. And the only thing that I can think of is that in my personal opinion, I would prefer to have some kind of a different lining inside. This one is nubuck. I'm not sure how you pronounce this. Nubuck?
Nubuck.
Nubuck. Okay, so we have nubuck leather, which is a new word to me. But it's good leather, it's real leather, nothing wrong with that. But I personally feel I would prefer to have something smooth and just a little bit easier to clean. But at the same time, I get it, because when you have the bag just a little bit more open, this leather looks really, really nice. So that's the only thing that I would think of. But overall, like I said, I really, really love the bag. And I was promised outfit ideas, and I also redid the scarf, so it just looks a little bit nicer. You can see the color speaking through. And the outfit that I'm wearing today, it's an all black outfit. I have leather ankle booties, black skinny jeans, and off-shoulder top, and of course a colorful bag. It's gonna look perfect with an all black outfit. But now to another reason why I love this bag so much. If you watch my channel for a while, you know that I have another Corail bag, but that one is very delicate. It's for summer, it's for spring. But then this one is for the entire year, because I'm wearing a very wintry full coat, and you can see the handbag looks really, really nice with everything because it has a thicker strap and it just looks a little bit more classic. I can absolutely wear it the entire year, and I just wanted to show you how gorgeous it looks even with a winter coat on. And even if I put it on my shoulder, I think it looks so nice. You can just see the pop of color. If you can imagine that in the winter when everything is gloomy, this looks stunning. I love it. Of course, I have to show you the monochrome white outfit as well, so you can see how gorgeous this looks. That's the reason I love colorful bags so much. When you have just a really nice color palette such as white, and then you have a pop of color, and you can see it's such a cutie. I love it. And if I wear the bag crossbody, you can see how it looks. This is the strap length that it came with the bag, but I could make it even longer or even shorter if I want to, but I think this one is really nice. And again, it's such a nice pop of color. Of course, we have a winter version as well. So I have the ivory wool coat and the scarf, and you can see that the handbag works even when it's colder outside. That's why I love it so much. It's a lot more practical and versatile. I also put my snow boots on, which maybe with white jeans, because they're straight, this is not the best choice, but you know, it still works, and I just love this bag so much. I cannot stop praising it. Of course, I had to do a colorful look as well. So here is my red stunning dress that I love very much. I have my top over the knee boots for a more fall and winter winter look. And then I have the bag with the scarf, because also, as with my outfit, when I put the scarf on the back, for me it feels just a little bit more fall and winter appropriate in a way. But I think this outfit would look equally stunning with white sneakers actually. Here are the sneakers, and I personally love combining feminine pieces with something just a little bit more casual, and this is just the perfect combo. And again, the handbag with the scarf just adds a little something, a little je ne sais quoi, if you will, something like that. Now, if you haven't seen my minimalist handbag collection, I will link it right here so you can watch it next. Thank you for watching today. If you enjoyed the video, as always, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.